Hi, this is JJ Tykus with ITS Quality Control, and we're looking at our ITS battery plate drying oven, also known as a flash made. There's several access doors that we can look at on both sides of the oven. We have, first of all, 4 doors to inspect the lower ductwork and conveyor, each with handles and latches that allow opening from the inside if necessary. We also have a 5th access door on the front side to allow inspection and maintenance to the recirculation blower assembly or the burner. Also, the back side of the oven also has 4 access doors, allow cleaning and maintenance activities for the lower duct and conveyor belts. The oven will run with a slightly negative pressure on the interior to ensure that free lead doesn't make it into your shop atmosphere. We also have removable particulate matter drawers to remove any waste, and a 4-inch bag house connection on both sides of the entrance and exits. The special design of the ductwork and conveyor system will deposit most particulate matter in the exit drawer. And again, we have bag house connections available on either side.